Ever wondered how computers communicate with each other? How does one machine, sitting in a room in New York, talk to another in a cafe in Paris? Well, prepare to dive into the fascinating world of computer networks. The story begins in the late 1950s with the birth of the very first computer networks. These were simple, direct connections between two machines. Imagine two computers in the same room, connected by a single cable. This was the essence of the earliest computer networks, and it was revolutionary for its time. As more computers came into existence, the need for a more efficient way of communication became evident. Enter the 1960s and 1970s, an era of experimentation and innovation. The concept of packet switching was introduced. This allowed data to be broken down into small packets and sent across the network. It was faster, more efficient, and paved the way for the modern internet. The 1980s saw the advent of LANs, or local area networks. These connected computers within a specific geographic area, such as an office building or a university campus. Around the same time, the Internet Protocol Suite, or TCP/IP, was developed. This set of communication protocols laid the groundwork for the Internet as we know it today. Fast forward to the 1990s and early 2000s, where the focus shifted to wireless networking. Wi-Fi, or wireless fidelity, allowed computers to connect to each other without the need for physical cables. This development completely revolutionized the way we use computer networks, allowing for the rise of mobile devices and the Internet of Things. Now, in the third decade of the 21st century, computer networks have become an integral part of our daily lives. From the smartphones in our pockets to the servers that power the world's biggest websites, these networks are the backbone of our digital world. So what have we learned today? Computer networks started as simple direct connections between two machines. The introduction of packet switching in the 1960s and 1970s made communication faster and more efficient. The 1980s brought us LANs and the Internet Protocol Suite, which laid the groundwork for the Internet. The 1990s and 2000s saw the rise of wireless networking and the Wi-Fi we all know and love today. And now, we live in a world where these networks are everywhere, connecting us in ways we could only dream of a few decades ago. From the birth of the first simple network to the complex, interconnected digital world of today, the evolution of computer networks is a tale of innovation and progress. It's a story that continues to unfold, with new chapters being written every day. Who knows what the future holds? But one thing is for sure. Computer networks will continue to play a vital role in our lives, shaping the way we communicate, work, and live.